Behind me is my 2021 MacBook Pro, which is my daily driver. I use that for practically everything that doesn't involve a PC, in which case I have a Dell, which is literally called a Dell, and that's what I use for PC stuff. This computer replaced my 2018 MacBook Pro. Apart from the fact that I had broken all of the paint off of the command key there, because I do a lot of command build, command run, command copy, command paste, command undo, the list goes on. Other than just replacing the battery in this, it was good to go. I can use it as a backup computer, I can give it to one of the kids if they need to use a Mac for anything, and so it was very, very simple for me to decide, you know what, I'm just going to stick a new battery in it. I thought I understood what everybody was complaining about when they said that these computers were very, very difficult to do any replacement work on them, and I almost trashed this computer in the process of trying to rebuild it. Getting everything out and getting everything back in was hilarious. I mean, there's just so much going on inside this computer, and it's definitely not for the faint of heart. But if you've ever taken the connector off of a 9-volt battery and had difficulty getting it back on, you'll understand the problem I had with these connectors, which is where all of the antennas connect to the motherboard. They're actually about 1 millimeter across, and they're made of something approximating marshmallow. I ended up having to rebuild one of these by putting on a jeweler's loop and then going down with some tweezers and manually rebuilding the edge of the connector so that I could, you know, put the lead back on top. The end result of this is I now understand something that previously I thought I understood, but with hindsight I only probably understood half the picture. I mean, like, the keyboard is literally fused into the top of the computer. It is crazy. I even had to take the trackpad out in order to remove the battery. I ended up using the iFixit product, and you know, it's funny because it says inside, you know, you've got this. I did get it, but oh, it was difficult. It was really difficult. So the question now is, what do I do with 2016's MacBook? I think I did fry the graphics card that's built into the motherboard on this one, so that one will get retired, but I still have 2 laptops in rotation, plus a Dell. So yeah, I normally think that I understand things, but in this case it was a realization that I only probably understood about half of what people were saying, and it was only when I got down and dirty with it and actually tried it myself. Yeah, they were right.